going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great night so far. I have got a good one. It's a spicy landlord tenant case in front of Judge Simpson where the landlord did something that they should not have done. And it is not going to end well if it's true. They're just allegations right now, but it was confirmed on the record. We'll see how it plays out. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
I got to get off of that because I like that. Really important guy. All right. Ashley, is it Branham? Representative of Ricky and Travis Branham State versus Melanie Brazen Sanders.
Everyone's into.
Good afternoon. State your appearance. Go ahead.
William Gross here on behalf of Ashley Brown or the estates, really.
Who else is here on this?
Melanie Sanders, defendant.
All right. Where are we on this case, folks?
Your Honor, last week we had our initial hearing, and at that time, you'd asked that my client provide her letters of authority, showing that she is the personal representative for both the Ricky and Travis Branham estates. We've submitted those to the court. I believe they're in the case file. So at this point, we'd be ready to proceed to the full hearing.
All right, ma'am, what do you have to say about this case?
So on July 1st, I was given the notice to quit. On July 10th, I paid $3,000 for a home for us to be removed from the estates per her wishes. I found out after the 10th that was scam and I got scammed. I took that to the Jackson Rentals Associates and figured it out. That's a whole different court case that I am dealing with on my own, which is why I don't have a lawyer for this case, because the other case kind of has a little bit more priority. I informed Ashley that I would not be in the house on August 1st, but she could drop off the eviction notice. Instead of just taping it to the window, she and her party proceeded to enter the dwelling through my 10-year-old autistic son's bedroom. Doing so, there was some damage to his belongings. There are also some things of my son's, like his laptops that are for school this year. He is homeschooled, that are missing. His entire life savings that was on our pellet stove is missing. And I have expressed to them that I am working as fast and efficiently as I can to get us out of the home. I am just requesting at least 3 more weeks to figure out my situation.
Counsel, you know anything about your clients entering the home?
I'm sorry?
I don't. I believe she's here and may be able to speak to that. I understand that she did at one point arrive at the home hoping to, I don't know, get back possession. I think she misunderstood the time frame of things. But I was not aware of anyone entering the home.
Did she enter the home?
I believe she's available here now.
Turn on my camera. My name is Ashley Branham, and I did not enter the home. I was at the home. I mean, there was a note that was on the door about if somebody needed to talk to an adult, to reach out. I was not aware that Melanie was even still there, but with that note on the door, we did call police for 4 hours that day to try to get somebody out there just to do a wellness check. But then after we had left the property is when I guess all of that transpired.
Did anybody with you? If you didn't go in, did anybody with you go into the premises?
My sister did.
Boom, right there. Why didn't she say that? She was trying to be sneaky. She tried to talk around it. Yeah, you can't do that. There's a note on the door, so that gives you the right to break into the home. Yeah, she just said she has an autistic child. You probably knew that as the landlord. Maybe you didn't, but yeah, it was probably a note that she put on there for when she's busy or something. I don't know, but it doesn't give you the right to go in. You're in trouble now.
Under what authority did she enter the premises?
Well, we had called the police for 4 hours that day, and they said, well, if it is your residence, like we advise that if you're the legal owner of it. So I mean, nothing was taken. We did not.
You may be the legal owner subject to their leasehold.
She doesn't have a lease, sir. She is not paying rent. She has not made any.
Your Honor, I believe
I really don't have time to give you the legal definition of that, so I'm not going to. I'll let your lawyer do that for you.
Okay, well, I mean, I'm just saying she never had a lease. She was with my brother.
Yes, and Ashley.
Well, that's a problem if they enter the premises.
Yeah, Your Honor,
that's a huge problem. That's counsel. That's a huge problem.
Yeah, Your Honor, I was contacted, I believe, on that day by my client, and I advised her to leave the tenant to her quiet possession of the property until this matter was resolved through the courts. So I believe there was just a misunderstanding by my client.
Yeah, I've never been through this process. I didn't know. I thought the letter to acquit was the last thing, so I just was unaware. And I mean, I live 700 miles away, so I'm in Georgia. I was just trying to get some resolution to the problems that are happening.
All right, I don't usually do this in videos. I do it on my live, but I feel like it is very much needed right now. And yeah, here we go.
Answer, sir, please. Every time you open your pie hole, you get it worse trouble. So stay the course, will you?
And that didn't happen. So
as far as I know, the tenant has been left to her quiet enjoyment of the property since that date. And
yes, but it was interrupted, counsel. That's a whole other claim.
Pardon me?
That's a whole other claim she has as against the landlord. You can't just go in.
I did call the police after I returned back to the premises after my work shift. I did have my neighbor who has video surveillance of the conversation between Miss Branham and part of her party that was there on that day, along with a whole different slew of things that I had talked to that officer about. Which again, that is a whole different case that I am working on getting the details on for that.
Okay.
For this case,
yeah, I know.
I've just been,
all right, look, we're gonna have to get this resolved. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set it for a final settlement conference, September 10th, 2024, 9 a.m. All of that is in person. All the parties need to be present before me.
That was the 10th at 9 a.m.?
Yes, sir.
All right, and Your Honor, that's another settlement conference. That's not the eviction hearing?
It's a settlement conference. Well, counsel, you can do it that way or not. Your client or somebody on your client's behalf illegally entered these premises. She has claims which she's raised before this court, claiming damage to certain property.
Sure. So I just want to know what type of hearing I should be preparing for next time.
Prepare for a final settlement conference. It's a hearing before we set a trial, if we have to set a trial. I'm
Is
going
there
to try to
anything-
resolve the case, but I think you probably need to talk to your clients about what their legal obligations and responsibilities are. Because quite frankly, they're probably in a whole lot of trouble.
Is there anything the court needs us to prepare in order, like, for that
No,
hearing to
I got
proceed?
it. I got all, you can prepare anything you want for me, but I'm good.
That smile on the attorney's face. Yeah. I'm going to keep my comments to myself, but I really want to say, know the judge you're about to go in front of. Also, instruct your client not to talk. The attorney should have answered the break-in question. He really should have. All right, I'm going to let it play the rest out. There's only about 30 seconds left. You guys have a great rest of your day. One last time, happy birthday, Julia. I hope you're having a great day. Enjoy your special day, and good luck. And I wish you the best next revolution around the sun. Revolution, yeah, the sun revolves. The earth revolves. Revolution around the sun. All right, you guys have a great rest of your day. Until next time, bye.
We'll see everybody on the 10th. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.